pop kind of merged with R&B, and it
Right.
kind of enveloped it,
Right.
and we kind of forgot about it. So writers stopped writing, and
Yeah.
and so two
Right.
things happened: R&B and gospel. Gospel kind of enveloped R.
Bruh, what what is that? I mean, shout out to the guy who's hosting the podcast, because I'm not gonna lie to you. I would have died. I would have been under the table, dead, laughing hard. I'm talking about I wouldn't have heard nothing you said. Like, I would have stared at your hairline the whole time. Well, the hairs that you put on it to make your hairline the whole time. What made you, Wusa, what made you do that? Because I'm not going to lie, like, I've been cutting hair 20 years. I mean, not going to jack. That's crazy. Like, that's crazy. Like, I've seen some enhancements, but nothing like this before, especially when you know it's being filmed. Like, you cannot have friends, bro. You can't have family. You can't have friends. You probably don't even got enemies. Because my enemies would have told me about that.